Okay, so we will show you now how to set your home alarm using your user code. So I am going to set it using the wireless keypad that is just at the front door conveniently. So I'm just going to wake the panel up by pressing any button. Put in the 4-digit code. You can't have up to a 6-digit code, and press the tick. That's your alarm doing the countdown. So you can have it set. I've got mine set to 30 seconds to leave the house. So let's leave. Okay, so that is the alarm now set. Once you re-enter your house, your alarm panel will start its countdown. That will then give you a set amount of time to deactivate your alarm, either by using the code or using another method that I'll show you later. So let's re-enter. As you can hear, the alarm panel is beginning its countdown. So we just need to put in your code here. Okay, so what I done there was put in my 4-digit code and press the tick. And now the alarm is deactivated, so you're free to walk around your house without triggering it.